Hey everybody, in this video I want to take a quick look at the word I in Spanish. The word I means there is or there are. Yes, it means both things, and you would know which one you're using based on the context. So I give you 4 sentences here using that word so you can kind of see what it would look like. In Spanish we have hay 10 estudiantes, there are 10 students. Hay una chica, there's a girl or one girl. Hay 20 libros, and hay un hombre. So what I'm going to do for you down here is use the same word in 4 different questions and show you what those would mean and then their answers as well. So right here you have the question, over here to the right what it means, and beneath the question I have the answer both in Spanish on the left and then what its English counterpart would be on the right. So the first 2 questions start the same. They start with that word cuantos, this word right here, which means how many. Now you'll notice right away maybe that in this question the word is just a tiny bit different. It says cuantas instead of cuantos, and the reason is because this word has to follow the gender of the noun that it precedes. So cuadernos is a masculine plural noun, so this has to be masculine and plural with the OS. And then down here, computadoras is a feminine plural noun, so this has to also be feminine plural. Anyway, the question would read, ¿Cuántos cuadernos hay en la clase? How many notebooks are there in the class? And you can answer that by saying I, with that word there is or there are, and the number, and then the word cuadernos. So hay 15 cuadernos. Next question is, ¿Cuántas computadoras hay? How many computers are there? Hay 30 computadoras. And these next 2 are both singular, so hay un mapa. And you'll notice too that instead of using the word cuántos at the beginning of the question, I took that out and I started that with the question with the word I. When I do that, the question is asking either is there or are there. So if I had something plural here, then it would mean are there, but since it's just singular, it means is there. Hay un mapa, so is there a map? Sí, hay un mapa, yes, there's a map. And then the last question is, hay una impresora? Is there a printer? I totally put the wrong word there, I'm gonna fix that for you now. Okay, and then no hay una impresora would be no, there isn't a printer. So that's kind of it for the word I, which means there is, there are. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Adios.